Pre-intermediate, free. Sustainable tourism, a responsibility for the future. Tourism is one of the world's largest industries, providing millions of jobs and contributing to the economy of many countries. However, the rise of mass tourism has led to significant environmental and social problems. Popular destinations often suffer from overcrowding, pollution, and the destruction of natural habitats. To solve these issues, the concept of sustainable tourism has emerged. This type of tourism aims to minimize the negative impacts of travel while maximizing the benefits for local communities and the environment. As travelers, we have a responsibility to make sustainable choices. For instance, instead of staying in large international hotel chains, we can choose small, locally owned guest houses. This ensures that our money stays within the local economy. Additionally, we should be mindful of our environmental footprint by reducing waste and avoiding activities that harm wildlife. Choosing to travel by train instead of flying short distances is another way to be a more eco-friendly tourist. Governments also play a crucial role by implementing regulations that protect historical sites and limit the number of visitors in fragile areas. Ultimately, sustainable tourism is about finding a way to enjoy the beauty of our planet without destroying it for future generations. If we are careful, we can continue to explore the world while preserving its wonders.